Hello again. We're back. It's Wednesday, working on John's car. So we got the body parts back from the paint shop. We got the hood, the front bumper cover, and the rear trunk lid. And we're gonna have our hand at trying to fit those today. And Pete's gonna come around a little later, give us a hand. Weather's kind of nice, so we're gonna get on with this. So a couple more things we want to tackle is take the driver's side fender off. We got some issues in there we got to resolve with the door hinges, and some little stuff around the car, and yeah, we'll figure it out and follow along and see what we're up to. All right, so we got the fender off, and this bracket here we are having issues with wasn't even attached to the fender at all. So the threads are in the fender, there's just no bolt here. So we're gonna take this off, get a bolt so we can stick that all back together. One thing I saw was I replaced these door hinge bushings years ago when John first got the car, and I couldn't get the cotter pin in at the bottom, and this pin was walking itself up. So that was kind of a good thing we're in here. I noticed it, so I'd remembered about it, because forgot about it for all those years ago, but we couldn't get the pin in no matter what we tried even cutting the cotter pin in half, and it just wasn't enough clearance to slide the pin in. So John had a couple other kits from LMR, and the pins that were in there were from the oversized bushing kit, and they have these ones with the teeth on them, because those bite into the a bashed up hinge a little bit better. And those pins were like these ones here. So if you line them up, that's how far from the end the hole is for the pin. But on the other kit that John had from just the standard door bushings or door kit, come on, focus, the pin hole is higher and more to the end of the pin. So we stole that pin from that other kit, and boom, it worked first time. So half an hour of futzing around and swapped the pin, and that was the problem. So yeah, we're making some progress. We'll get this, find a bolt, get this fender back on, and we'll move forward again. I cleared the old hood off. I took the bracket, I guess, or the hood latch, the secondary hood latch off, because I'm going to transfer over that to the new hood, and we'll get back up here in a minute. All right, we're all done. Yay. For the most part. We got a couple things left to do, but hood's on, front end, it's looking good. Just need an emblem. Just a quick wipe down. We need the screws for the cowl, because those went missing, and they would have been green anyway, because they spray bombed everything green. But just a quick wipe down, and she's looking pretty good. So we got the rest of the sill plates in, the interior. Just waiting on the speaker grills. So we're almost ready to drive it. Definitely got to go to the dyno before it hits the road. But just a quick shine of the wheels. Deck lid's on. I'm sorry it's nighttime, but it's the best we got right now. So, but yeah, next week we start the light conversion. So we got the back's kind of pretty much done, except for a fog light, and we got to convert the front end. This be interesting, drilling holes in brand new headlights. So, so we're gonna have to modify the outer ones and the inner ones, and change the wiring around a little bit, but it's nothing crazy. We're gonna need to do a little bit of buffing. And you can tell there's a little bit of a color mismatch between the new hood, new body parts, and the old stuff, but that's just the way it goes. It'll get fixed eventually, but it's better than a yellow hood. So
yes, it is. Much better than the yellow hood.
So, alright guys, so catch you in the next video.